Yukihira Soma no
This is how we do.
Alright, let's get started. Onions, thinly sliced. Bell pepper, sliced. Carrots, thinly sliced. Savoy cabbage, sliced. Shiitake mushroom, sliced. Green onion, roughly sliced. Daikon, grated. Chicken thigh, skin on. Get your knife and feel out where the thigh bone is. And once you feel it out, just gently use the edge of your knife to cut the bone out. From here, we want to just roughly dice the chicken. The goal here is to get even size for even cooking. Oil. Chicken. Just spread the chicken out evenly in your wok and sear one side. Once that's done, flip it all onto the other side and just let the heat do its work. Now, from here, onions. Saute. While that's going, in a pot of boiling water, add your soba noodles and just let it cook out. Carrots. Bell pepper. Saute. Mushrooms. Saute. Savoy cabbage. Green onions. Saute. Add your cooked soba noodles into the wok and just saute everything thoroughly. Yakisoba sauce, be generous. For the final part of cooking, make sure you toss and saute everything together, and there you have it. On a plate, gently place your noodles onto the center and pile it up as high as you can. We want to make this yakisoba look sexy, so give it a little love of presentation. To top it off, squeeze the water out of the grated daikon, form a ball, and gently place on top like a Christmas tree. A touch of ponzu dressing, generously place bonito flakes all over it. That's gonna give it the saltiness and the umami. And for the final touch, a generous, very generous sprinkle of furikake seasoning. Give the rim of the plate a nice clean white for presentation, and there you have it. My take on the Yukihira Style Soba, done. If you've been here, welcome back, and as always, if you're new to the channel, hit like and subscribe. What you waiting for? Fucking delicious.
さあいかがでしょう。大型風味も何も失われてるに決まって